Morning, everybody. Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here with Natural Transplants, and we are in the Bethesda office, and we are excited to have Jessica here today. Jessica, welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind, catching us up on why you're here and how you found us.
I've been in the military for 8 years and pulling my hair back all the time just to put it in the bun, and I've been trying everything for the past 8 years. So I go on YouTube and I find like somebody did a hair transplant.
Yeah.
So I've been researching it for like a year and a half and decided to
Did you even know that was an option before
No.
seeing it on YouTube? Okay, yeah. We hear that a lot.
Yeah.
Great, excellent. Well, I appreciate it. I was saying, I feel like every person we've done this week has been in the military, so this is kind of a regular thing for us. I'm just going to have Zane zoom in and just show. And I would consider you have kind of in the mild to moderate category, kind of in the 2 to 3 finger zone of loss on both sides, and maybe 1.5 fingers on the top. And so we're going to fill that in today. You have fantastic hair, really good density. I'm really excited about this. Everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back here with Jessica, and we have finished the day. Congratulations, you did it.
Yeah.
How did you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah, it went fantastic. I was really happy. If you wouldn't mind share with everybody and be honest, the good, the bad. How'd today go?
Okay, like the back part, when I was getting the shots, it was fine. Like I could feel it, but it wasn't like real painful.
You didn't make a peep. You really didn't. You powered through that like a rock star. I'm gonna have Jeff sort of zoom in here. We were able to get about 99% of this filled. There's a tiny little strip back here we just couldn't get to. But like we talked about, there's hair there. It's not like there's no hair, and it should blend in fine. So I really am pleased with the way it went. I'm going to spin you around just so we can see the back. A little bit of oozing, but for the most part, we're going to keep the top half and the bottom half separate for the next couple days so it doesn't get matted. But this incision came together real easily, and it's going to be just a tiny little thin scar. I love it.
Hi, my name is Jessica. I got a hair transplant about a year ago because I had traction alopecia all along my edges of the front part of my head, and I would like to show you guys the results. And there's my results.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.